All right, guys, welcome back. Today I have a special guest, and she's an artist from DC and originally from Beijing, and her name is Luo Dandan. And she's going to share with us how to write New Year's couplet, or it's like a New Year's good luck reading.
Hi, everyone. My name is Dandan. I am from Beijing originally. I am now living in Washington, D.C. 我的名字叫丹丹，我是北京人，现在住在华盛顿，美国的华盛顿。I just recently discovered this new method. I don't think I'm very good at calligraphy, but I just started practicing it. So I am using, this is a brush pen. I can show you like this. So it's not a traditional Chinese brush. I find it easier for me to just hold it like holding a pen. So, but then it has a brush. So the characters I write looks like the traditional Chinese character. So I'd also, another method for me to do it is to sketch it out first and draw a grade first and then sketch it out using pencil. So then I don't go out of the box. Or grade. And then I know where to go when I use the brush. It's kind of like a coloring, so I just trace my pencil mark. When the spring comes, everything is new. Everything will start. And it's a beautiful day, and everything is going to be all right. 阳春开物象，丽日换新天。下面我要写一个this character is like here, it's beautiful, and then I will write day, so it's beautiful day. 那我就接着写了。
好。
This character means brilliant. It's a traditional way of writing it. It looks a little bit different than the simplified character.
And how do you read that one?
换.
Okay.
The same is new. I'm gonna write 新, yes. And when you write Chinese character or calligraphy, you're not supposed, like if you don't do it right the first time, you're not supposed to go back and fix it.
You'd say 一横一竖.
一横一竖.
Do you remember all those words?
这是撇，这是竖，横竖。
竖 OK.
然后这个是点儿。然后这个是撇，这个往左的是撇，往右的是捺。
哦，是吗？撇一捺。
是啊。这个也好写，这是天 ，the next one is sky. So this is new and this is sky, and also day.
Okay.
Day or sky. Plus 日.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what does it mean together? The year plus the sun?
阳春. Yang means the sun.
Just the sun, okay.
Yeah. But then these two characters, the next one is 春. So the two characters together, this means spring.
Okay. 阳春.
Yeah. We just call it 阳春, the same as 春.
Okay.
You know, like sometimes we use two characters to describe actually something this one character can mean. It's usually 撇 goes before 捺, like 撇 goes before 捺. And I like this, like 春, so the horizontal lines goes first, and then 撇, and then 捺, and then vertical lines, and vertical lines go first, and then horizontal lines.
I was just
But
gonna ask.
there are exceptions.
Yeah. Yeah, so you have to do a certain stroke order.
Yeah.
But some people do some of them wrong, right? Like,
Yeah,
everyone
I
does
think
it perfect.
I sometimes do them wrong. This character it also means elephant.
Yeah, at
Same.
the 大象的象, right?
Yeah, so it means here it means situation or phenomena. This particular kind of style I picked is called OT.
OT.
It's a T means style. So it's basically O is somebody's a very famous calligrapher's surname. So it's called OT. And this is his particular style. So he wrote it this way. We're just gonna copy him.
Okay.
I think it's mainly for aesthetic reasons.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just people think it looks prettier that way.
Yeah.
Right. So now I'm gonna let's try the thing where you guide me, and then I'll write some ugly characters like Chun, and then you can tell me what can be improved. Okay. So I'm gonna share my screen, and this is with my iPad. Okay, this is cool. Which one should we write?
This right? Spring.
Chun.
I
Okay.
think it's time.
So
Yeah.
with this, let me see how. Oh, that's really fat.
Yeah. So when you write the horizontal lines, just leave some room for something like for the things down under. I feel like
Okay.
it's harder than
Yeah.
than it looks. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's just start with this, and then 下一
Okay.
行应该是短一点还是长一点? So the next line be
下一行 in mine, it's a little longer than.
it's longer than the first one?
Yeah, it's even longer than the first one.
Like that?
Yes,
And then the next one?
it's longer.
Even longer. Okay.
Yeah.
So 1 2 3 1 2 3. 好粗啊. So now I'm running out of space. So this is the part we were talking about, running out of space. So now I've got to fit the sun here, but I don't have much room. So anyways, we'll just try. So then this is the one you said it's they start in the center, right? And then just
Yes. Go down to the left.
down. And then
Yeah,
how
that's not bad.
much space? Like leave. Should I do the sun?
That's good.
Should I do the
that's
sun
good.
first or do the other leg?
Do the other leg first.
Okay, this is where I'm gonna screw it up, but not bad.
Yeah, that's
right?
not bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the sun.
Goes the sun. Yes.
Should I touch the wall? 应该碰到了那个腿吗?
Yes. Touching.
Okay, touch it.
It's
Okay.
touching.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one is gonna come down here.
Okay.
Whoops, sorry. No, it's connected, isn't it? The button.
It could be. Oh yeah. It should be just one line.
Right.
Oh yeah.
And then
Cool.
so like that, but it's too.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah,
this is the top part is too fat.
Too stretched out. Okay, let me just try it really quickly one more time. Yeah, it's like it should be more condensed, right? Like you're talking about with the.
Yeah, it's much better. Ooh. You got some qi.
Oh yeah, some qi. That's a good point. When Chinese write calligraphy, actually the meaning of the word, right? So if it's more energy, it shows in the character, right? So actually the speed of writing and everything is different.
Yeah.
The meaning.
It's kind of like a painting a little bit, starting to feel like painting.
Yeah, or like
yeah, because it's basically mark making. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Or even, it's even like dancing, right? So if it's a
Yeah.
slow, calm meaning, then maybe you write you write slowly. But if it's a forceful, energetic thing, then it's right. Like I've
Yeah.
seen it in the
It's
in the
true.
kung fu movies. They actually change the way they write it.
Yeah, it's true. I guess all art forms are connected. Kai means open. So this
Oh
one,
yeah, the door with the kai in the middle. Okay.
yeah. So it looks like a door, and then inside it looks like a housing structure or building. So you have or furniture. So you open the door, you go
Okay.
into one's house.
Okay. This one's called Zen Brush, and then you can also
Zen
like
Brush?
change the papers. Look at that. It's real stranger.
Oh.
Or maybe it's some other kind of handmade jerk, but
Yeah.
like if you
宣纸 it looks a little more refined than this.
yeah, this is more like shogun or
Coarse.
something like that.
Yeah.
But it is really cool because you can see the
texture.
yeah, the fiber, the texture.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. It's a rainy twin. A couple. Yeah. Do you have any 新年快乐 that you can say? Do you know any?
祝你新年快乐，春节好，
春节好，
新
恭喜发财。
新年好，恭喜发财。
What do they say in
That's a little
Beijing?
tacky.
What do they say in Beijing?
北京过年好。
过年好。
嗯，
北京直接直爽. It's like right. It's like 过年好.
Very direct. 过年好。
Yeah, very direct.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let me see how much time we have. I think we're almost done. Do you have your artwork online somewhere if people wanted to see like your paintings and stuff?
My website dandanart.com.
How do you spell dandan?
DANDAN. It's like double dan.
Okay, double Dan. And that's not because and dandan.com, that's it?
Dandanart.com.
Oh, dandanart.com. Okay, got it. Okay, thank you very much, and I'm gonna stop recording. Thank you, Dandan.
Okay.